Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of Google's Ngram Viewer, what it is, and why you or your students might want to use it as part of your research process. Let's go ahead and take a look at it here. What the Ngram Viewer does is shows you a graph or chart of when certain words, names appear in literature from 1800 through 2019. And the demo they give you here is Albert Einstein, Sherlock Holmes, and Frankenstein. And you can see the graph of when those terms appear more or less frequently. Now, what I'm going to do with this is take the research approach. I'm currently reading this great book called That Wild Country by Mark Kenyon, and it's all about the National Park Service in the United States and National Forest Service in the United States. So I want to do some more research about those terms and when they appear in American English. So I'm going to start with national parks, national forests, and I'm going to put in National Forest Service. Now, I want to limit this to American English. You can see I can do all English, American English, British English. You can see I have other languages down here that I can also scroll through, but I'm going to do American English 1800 through 2019. And we'll see right back here is when we start to see these terms appear more frequently in literature, and we can look at the spikes or peaks and valleys of these terms and see where they overlap and where some terms become more popular or less popular than others. And we could also take the approach of trying to figure out why these terms become more popular or less popular over time. In this case, we might start exploring the political climate in the United States and the policies of different administrations and see how those correlate to these terms appearing more or less frequently. Now, further down the list here, if I refresh this, I'm going to go down and see I can search in Google Books for these terms. We'll see national parks, national forests, and National Forest Service. And we can look for books published during that time, one of these time periods, that include that term that I've chosen. Let's say National Forest Service, and I'm going to pick 1800 to 1923. Well, that now takes me into Google Books, where I'm now searching National Forest Service for search English pages, any document between 1800 and 1923. Now I can further change this and say I want a full view, and I want just books, for example. And inside here, we'll see that on page 925, they mention National Forest Service. And again here, National Forest Service, National Forest Service. Let's take a look inside there. And so let's go ahead and read it. And we'll see two results within this book for National Forest Service. And we could scroll through and read this entire document if we wanted to as well. So that's a short overview of Google's Ngram Viewer. And like I said, it's a nice way to determine when certain terms appear in literature and fall out of favor in literature as well. As always, for more tips and tricks like this, please check out freetech4teachers.com or subscribe to my YouTube channel.